Welcome to the Windows Club. If Microsoft Edge Sidebar keeps opening frequently, then either read through this article on the website for the resolution or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. The procedure is through the registry editor. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command regedit and hit enter to open the registry editor window. Now go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft Edge. In the right pane, we will create a key named Hub Sidebar Enabled. Right click, new, dword 32-bit entry, paste it here, then double click on it, and whether the base is hexadecimal or decimal, make sure that the value data is 0. Click on OK to save the settings, and this will solve the problem in discussion. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.